Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have another lighting sighting video for you guys. Haven't done one of these in a while, but today I'm doing one. I am at the Key Training Center thrift store in Crystal River, Florida, and I am going to record the lighting in use here because it's very interesting for this day and age. And here it is. Yep, metal halide high bay lights or low bay lights. This one appears to have a coated mercury vapor bulb in it, deluxe white. It appears all green on the camera. Very nice. There's some more. These have metal halide in them for sure. Yeah, they're metal halides. That one appears to be mercury vapor too. Well, actually a mix of mercury vapor and metal halide, and I'll get to those in a minute. But yeah, here's the be like cool white metal halides, and then this one is more like a bright white color with a pink wicker band. And then there's some more down here which have metal halides in them. And then all the way down here, there is some more of those. This particular one back here has always been missing its cover ever since I've been going to this place, which is kind of scary because that's an unprotected metal halide there. But yeah, and there's another metal halide. There's more in the clothing section. Over here, metal halide, metal halide. Metal halide. This one appears to be metal halide too. Nope, mercury vapor, deluxe white. And then there's a couple more metal halides. There's one. And there's another one. And now we'll talk about those fluorescents here. The fluorescents are equally as interesting, if not more interesting, than the metal halides, mercury vapors. There's a mix here, as I just pointed out. We'll go around here, and there's the first fluorescent light. Well, it's actually out of view now, but there it is. These fluorescents are high output, I believe, which is very interesting. This one burned out a while ago. Very well used GE lamps. Long socks. Can't really read the etch on the phone, but I believe these are high output. Very nice, beautiful rocket GEs. Too bad they burned out. And then there are two down here which do in fact work. Oops, sorry. There's this one which has photoelectric high output bulbs in it. You can see there. And this one, which I believe also has photoelectric bulbs in it. Yep. So there's the high output fluorescent industrial fixtures. And now, there's some other fluorescent lights around here that I'd just like to point out. First of all is this one. It is a Lights of America F15T8 under cabinet light. And then there's also a couple in the bathrooms. Or the fitting rooms, rather. Looks like somebody's in that one, but nobody's in this one. They're both the same thing anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, we've got some wraparounds in here. Both of them. I'll go ahead and turn this one on. It's Rapid Start T12. Deluxe cool white lamps in this one. Very flickery, dim. You know the drill. But nice color. Kind of purpley, kind of pinkish almost. Beautiful color. High color rendering too. They're in Metalux wraparound fixtures. I believe these are the WSN line. Yeah, very nice. We'll do a couple more starts on this one. Oh, now it's not flickering anymore. There must be something wrong with the ballast. Yep, no flickering. Beautiful. There's that. Oh, perfect. There's no one in this fitting room anymore. So I'll show this one too. Same thing, deluxe cool white lamps. Rapid start. This one has some more flicker to it than the other one. There's a better view of that one. Do a couple more startups. Beautiful startup flicker. One more time. No flickering on this one when it's on. So there must be something wrong with that other one. Tubes appear to be rectifying. I think that's what that's called when they're doing that high frequency flickering. There are some lights in here. Can't really go in here. I just thought I'd get some footage of those as well. One of those tubes appears to be Mercury starved. And then there's one back there too. Metal halides aren't on, but sometimes they're on. But anyway, there were the interesting lights in use at this thrift store. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.